Now, there are so many great Nigerian songs with fall in their titles. From T Classic's Fall in Love to Davido Fall, Chidima, Falling in Love, which Chidima looked so cute in that music video. V-Red's Fall For You featuring Davido, and then of course the band's You Don't Make Me Fall in Love. Coincidentally, all these songs are about falling in love, highlighting the power that love has to make one fall, and an artist that experienced this firsthand is Shmurda, who received so much love from a fan that it felt like he just received a wrestling smackdown.
Sidestepping, bang!
While performing on stage, Shmurda was pulled off stage by an overzealous fan. Now, let's just see that again, but in slow motion. Of course, he got so pissed, but the new fella managed to hold his anger, well, at least to an extent.
I'm a woman that boy. I don't like that kind of blue. I know they do like that. You don't like me, say you don't give up this, say you feeling down, say if you like this vibe, say you don't like me, say you don't give up this, hey you feeling down, say if you like this vibe, say me and the what I say, I'm on it, leave my life, say go be, just love me, say we go fight. Hey,